Hey guys, this is Minister with LifeModder.com, and this is my Astro van. It's all-wheel drive. This is my camper van. It's got the rack on the top, and also an awning up there. Comes off. I'll have to show that to you sometime when we go camping. I recently just put a whole new top end on this. I only got it for $2,500 and it had a leaky intake gasket. And I figured since I'm gotta tear that whole thing apart under the engine hood, I'll show you. Figured since I gotta pull the whole thing apart, since it's so compacted in here. See all that? It's like very compacted. Everything in there. But I tore all that out, and you take the intake off, and then while I was in there I just decided to do a top end. So I got new heads because they're super cheap. I got them for like $200. And then I replaced all the sensors, cleaned the intake, cleaned up every part I could because it was super dirty in there, and put it all back together, and had to mess with the throttle or the throttle body a little bit because the accelerator was sticking a little bit, but now it's running perfect. I think it's like at like 650 RPM. But yeah, this is the inside. There's a bed. I kept this seat in so I can fold it up, but that way if we need to put some more people in here we can, but still have our bed. And then let me show you the back side. Open it up there. And that's the back side. Here, I'll show you. I got these two big drawers that pull out real nice like that. Super big, so you can put stuff in. We're still working on packing stuff up here for the winter, for winter snowboard trips. But yeah, and then on top I just used some old couch cushions and they work great. Or you can get memory foam, or shut this. But yeah, that's our camper van. And then up top you can see the snowboard rack. We're gonna get a luggage box up there as well, and we should be good to go. I'll show you, keep updated on my videos, subscribe, and you'll see I'm gonna install a flip down LCD screen for movies. I can show you how to do that, and also install a deep cell battery in there to that way when the car's off I can run all our things off the battery, like our TV and charging phones and whatever else we have. That way it doesn't kill the battery on the van, and it'll also set it up to where the van charges it while it's driving, so you don't have to use solar if you don't want, because you drive the van pretty often, and one good 30-minute drive should charge it, if not less than that. So yeah guys, keep watching and subscribe. LifeModder.com on YouTube, LifeModder, and I'll bring you some more videos on this. Thanks.